How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward and on MySpace as XXPunkRockQueenXX because I am not a quitter. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Unbox This. Today we're helping you clean your home without lifting a finger. It's like being doted upon by a devoted significant other, only this item is a robot and a vacuum and not an actual person. So let's get into it. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is a Wi-Fi connected self-emptying robot vacuum that sucks up dirt, dust, and debris from your floors with powerful suctions, and it does it all while you lounge on the couch or run your errands. It adapts to its surroundings so it won't get stuck in tight corners or fall down flights of stairs. This is a pretty impressive vacuum, so let's get into it. It is time to unbox this. Okay, so here we have the base. So this is where your Roomba will dock when it's done cleaning or when it's charging. Inside here, we also have a bag for all of the debris that your Roomba is going to pick up from the floors. And then this is the little lid. All right, let's open up this box here. All right, this here is the safety information. Here's your power cord. And this is your Roomba. Altogether, this is pretty small. You can tuck this away in the corner of one of the rooms in your home, and it's not going to be like super obvious or stand out too much. So I think that this is a great product to have in your home just by looking at it so far. But let's talk about the details. Keeping the floors of your home clean is a daunting and annoying task, but with a robot taking care of that chore, you don't even have to think about it anymore. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is a super smart, super effective vacuum that gives your home a comprehensive clean with 10 times the powerlifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that suck up dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. An edge sweeping brush also takes care of any spots that might have been missed. So how does it work? I know my apartment can be tricky to navigate. I have a lot of furniture and some small corners. It seems like it would be difficult for an automated vacuum to get around my place without getting stuck under a bar stool or caught between a floor lamp and a tight corner. With iAdapt 3.0 navigation with visual localization, the i7 Plus is able to intelligently map out your home. V-Slam navigation helps it avoid obstacles and cleans your floors in rows, leaving shiny, dust-free carpet, tile, and wood in its path. It also uses imprint smart mapping to differentiate your kitchen from your living room. It's voice activated as well through Google and Alexa, so all you have to do is say, "Hey Google, vacuum my living room," and your robot vac knows exactly where to go. Now, if only my boyfriends could have listened that well, things might have turned out differently for us. It can also target specific areas that need the most attention, like entryways or kitchens, so any crumbs or dirt are quickly removed. Now, what I find especially cool about the i7 Plus robot vacuum is how it learns your cleaning behaviors and customizes its schedule to be the most convenient for you. It also always has your back. If the pollen count is high in your neighborhood or if it's pet shedding season, it'll suggest another cleaning session. And then, when your vacuum is all done doing its job, it empties itself for up to 60 days. And then if it runs low on battery in the middle of a cleaning session, it'll return to the charging station and then resume vacuuming where it left off once it's charged up. Basically, the Roomba i7 Plus is like a roommate, only better. It cleans up after itself and after you. It's quiet, discreet, and it doesn't steal snacks from your fridge, but it will pick them up from the floor. So let's actually put it to the test. I have some snacks that I'm gonna sprinkle across the table, and then we'll see how the Roomba i7 Plus actually works. All right, you guys, I've got my snacks here. We're gonna just pour them out on the table. Then we'll see how the Roomba does. Okay, I'm gonna spread them out. Delicioso! Now let's turn it on. I love that it knows not to fall off the table. All right, everybody, so I'm pretty impressed with the Roomba i7 Plus. It did a good job of picking up all of those cheese puff crumbs. That's a mess I certainly did not want to clean up myself, and it's really neat that the Roomba was able to do it for me, and I didn't even have to think about it. Did you guys also notice how well it navigated the table? It never once fell off. So if you live in a home with a lot of stairs, the i7 Plus is gonna be able to handle that. Okay, you guys, if you want one for yourself, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!